Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us start the exercise 3.2, the third problem. On comparing the ratios A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, find out whether the pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. These are the equations given over. 5 parts are there. We'll try to find out A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2. The equation given to us is first one 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. This is the first equation, and second equation that is given to us 2x minus 3y is 7. So we'll write down this is A1, this is B1, number 2, this is C1. Same way, this is A2, this is B2 and this is C2. We'll write down A1 upon A2. So we'll write down A1 is 3, B1 is 2, C1 is 5. Then so also A2 is 2, B2 is minus 3 and C2 is 3. So we'll write down A1 upon A2, this is 3 and this is 2, this is 3 upon 2. B1 upon B2, what is B1? It is 2 and B2 is minus 3. So we can see these are not equal. This is 3 upon 2 and this is 2 upon minus 3. So we'll take this 3 upon 2 and 2 upon minus 3. As they are not equal, we will convert this into not equal to. So A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. It is called intersecting lines, and they have got exactly one solution. And intersecting lines and coincident lines are consistent. So we'll write down this. The pair of linear equations are consistent. And go on to the second one. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8, and second one 4x minus 6y is 9. So we'll write down A1 is 2, B1 is minus 3, C1 is, you can see here, 8, constant term. So also A2 is 4, B2 is minus 6 and C2 is 9. So we'll write down A1 upon A2. A1 upon A2 is 2 upon minus 3. Then we'll write down 2 upon 4 A2. B1 upon B2. B1 upon B2. B1 is minus 3 and this is minus 6. And we will see 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4. This is also cancelling. 3 1 the 3, 3 to the 6. So this is 1 upon 2 and this is also 1 upon 2. So we'll check the C1 upon C2. C1 upon C2 is how much? C1 is 8 and this is 9. So we can see A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. This is not equal to C1 upon C2. That is, we can write down like this also. 2 upon 4 is equal to minus 3 upon 6 minus 6 is not equal to 8 upon 9. The pair of linear equation is it is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1. So it is parallel line and no solutions, and we call it parallel lines as inconsistent. So it is inconsistent. We'll do the third one. 3 upon 2x plus 5 upon 3y is equal to 7, and second equation is 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. So we'll write down a1 is 3 upon 2, b1 is 5 upon 3, c1 is 7. Here it is a2 is 9, b2 is minus 10, and c2 is 14. So we'll write down a1 upon a2. This is 3 upon 2, and this is a2 is, we write it down directly upon 9 like this. It is, so it is 3 on the 3, 3 3 the 9, so it is 1 upon 6. We'll see b1 upon b2. b1 is 5 upon 3, and here it is b2 is minus 10. So this is 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10. This is 1 upon minus 6. This is 3 to the 6. So we see a1 upon a2 is 1 upon 6. b1 upon b2 is minus 1 upon 6. So they are not equal. So a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So when it is not equal, we call it an intersecting line, and intersecting lines are consistent. The pair of linear equations are we'll go on to the fourth one. 5x minus 3y is 11, and minus 10x plus 6y is minus 22. We'll write down a1. So a1 is 5, b1 is minus 3, c1 is 11. So also a2 is minus 10, b2 is 6, and c2 is minus 22. So we'll write down a1 upon a2. So a1 upon a2 is how much? 5 upon minus 10. This can be cancelled. This is 1 upon minus 2. This is 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10. So we'll write down b1 upon b2. b1 is minus 3, and b2 is 6. We can cancel 3 on the 3, 3 to the 6. So it is minus 1 upon 2. We'll check c1 upon c2 now. c1 upon c2, c1 is 11, and this is minus 22. So this is 11 on the 11, 11 to the 22. This is, so we see a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. When all the three are equal, they are coincident lines having infinitely many solutions, and coincident lines are consistent. So the pair of linear equations are consistent. We'll start with the fifth one. Next one, 4 upon 3x plus 2y is 8. This is the first equation. 2x plus 3y is 12. A1 here is 4 upon 3. B1 is 2. C1 is 8. And A2 is 2. B2 is 3. And C2 is 12. We'll write down A1 upon A2. A1 upon A2. A1 upon A2 is how much? 4 upon 3. This is A1. And what is A2? We'll multiply this here. So it is 2 to the 4. So it is 2 upon 3. So it is 2 upon 3. What is B1 upon B2? B1 is 2 and B2 is 3. So this is 2 upon 3. We will check C1 upon C2. C2. What is C1? Is 8 and this is 12. So 4 to the 8, 4 3 the 12. So it is 2 upon 3. We see that A1 upon A2 is B1 upon B2 is C1 upon C2. How much it is? 2 upon 3. So when we get all the three equal, we call it at coincident lines, and coincident lines are consistent. So the pair of linear equations given above are consistent. So that's the answer. I hope you have liked and understood today's problem. Share this video with your friends and classmates. If you have understood the solution, you can like the video, and if you want such similar videos, you can subscribe my channel for the latest information. In case of any doubt or query regarding the problem or any syllabus related question, you can comment in the comment section of this video. We'll meet back again with a new video next time. Thank you.